హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. నా ఛానల్కి మీ అందరికీ స్వాగతం. లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ ది వీడియో, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ ఫర్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ న్యూ వీడియోస్. ప్లీజ్ క్లిక్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి, నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. కొత్త వీడియోల నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. And next, coming to the entertainment industry, just because the movie halls have been closed down, there is no need to stop producing the movies. Actually, making new movies is very beneficial for the lockdown, because people are getting bored in their homes, and especially youth, and the two naughty youth, they don't know what to do and they are getting onto the roads and causing problems for everyone. So if new movies are made and released on pay-per-view basis in YouTube, this is also very unconventional, because India, it is totally out of the box idea for everybody. It's an improbable thing for everybody, but still, if we are ready for long term lockdown, this is totally useful. It will keep people engaged. పాత చింతకాయ పచ్చడిలాగా ఆ రామాయణ మహాభారతాలు అవి కొత్తవి కాదు, పాతవి ఆల్రెడీ చూసినవి, ఎప్పుడు నా చిన్నప్పుడు చూసినవి 90sలో 80sలో అవి తీసుకొచ్చి మళ్ళీ వేస్తే జనానికి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉండదు. కొత్త కొత్త కంటెంట్ కావాలి ఎప్పుడు ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో. సో వీ కెన్ ఎంప్లాయ్ దీస్ instead of the actors and the entertainment industry sitting quietly, because they're totally out of employment options. The celebrities, the actors, what are they doing? They are just encouraging police, healthcare workers, etc., and making homemade videos for inspiring the nation. All these activities they are doing, but what is their these, if politicians do, people would feel more interesting. But if you do your own job, like making movies, new movies, I know it's not digestible that to even think that your movie would be released on YouTube. But if you think deeply, this in the West, the movie gets released on DVD first and into theaters later. So releasing the movie on YouTube, and if the crisis solves soon, they can be again released in theaters later. And obviously not huge budget movies, or movies that have large crew, only with 100, 150 or maximum 200 crew, including the cleaning boys, cleaners, etc., and everybody should be doing the production under the supervision of the government, after taking license for each and everyone. And because they are rich, they should be taking the tests weekly, the COVID-19 test, and only negative members should be allowed to participate in the production. On the test, they can start 4 movies, at least 4 to 5 movies as a pilot project, and start making movies and releasing them on YouTube as pay-per-view, and later into premium channels, and after 3-4 months to general public in normal channels. So if we do that, we can keep the people engaged and rule boredom and side effects of the boredom of people getting onto the streets. It will not only help the revenue, but also help the lockdown. They can also develop a separate government app for release of such movies, or a website. But the production unit should be totally tested, because social distancing may be or may not be possible during production. As far as possible, they should, of course, they are educated and aware, so they should follow, and wherever not possible they should rely on the testing done weekly and with log of the contacts. Alcohol, some states are permitting because withdrawal symptoms are occurring, it seems. I wonder how people cannot live without alcohol. What if there was a flash flood and they were rotting in rescue camps? Where will they get alcohol for at least, like in Kerala, for at least 2-3 years they are devastated, many villages. There cannot be no running wine shops. For at least 2-3 months they should wait. Within 20 days they are getting withdrawal symptoms, means I don't know where the country is going. But anyhow, if alcohol is permitted during lockdown, domestic violence would obviously increase, because and even they may not have the consciousness of not that they should not go onto the roads. They might come onto the roads, they might cause domestic violence. Alcohol permission would only be devastating to lockdown. But if you want entertainment, making movies and releasing them would keep people engaged. So apart from this scientific corona, that is the COVID-19 virus affecting the world, even in the magical sector, as I have told in my previous videos, each country is led by teams, celebrities and politicians, etc., and they have an exposure to the magical world, magical food and etc. There also a corona type problem has started, and that is forcing people to maintain social distance. And because magic is not still revived on earth, for a scientific explanation, COVID-19 has come along with it to force people into social distancing. The route map for it, that is the cause for it, is as you know, in teams Natigala Brahmacharyam cheyali, that is the wife in the team or the mate in the team, the same rank female counterpart in the team, you should maintain social distance. So that thing has now magnified to a huge extent that everybody needs to follow social distancing, because due to lack of connection with the main source of the souls, that is the God, mankind has moved away a lot from God. So this problem has sprung up. You have seen the movie Hancock. In that a team pair, if they meet and live together, they age and die. So that is the problem now. No more meeting and no more staying together. People all need to maintain social distancing. The COVID-19, the scientific corona strain in India is less severe, as we know, because it has got less horns on it, smaller, shorter horns. So like that, even the magical corona problem should actually be very less in India, because India is the soul of the world, the lively grace country. But it is in effect more than in other countries. The reason for that is, as I said, the birth of the first prophet. As long as he is present on earth, being the vessel for Kalki, this problem would be very severe in India. And if he steps into other countries, even Russia, at the present socio-economic position, the land would repel and the inhabitants' souls and bodies also would burn a lot. He can only stay in India, and now with the start of corona, he is weighing too much on the society, being the same socio-economic position. But for solving that, if we change the current socio-economic position, that would cause a lot of other problems, because that would start the Samudra Manthan, and the this Alahalam will spurt out, and it will release a lot of his mental growth all these days. Because I said in the last 2 years, between 86 and 88, after Israel has been formed, within 40 years Kalki's team was established. As his mental growth has been increasing, the apocalypse has been setting in. It has reached to the global pandemic state. If his socio-economic profile changes, magic would start showing up on earth, and it will lead to many more changes which are very difficult to adapt. And there are few secrets with his contacting the teams that would unleash the magic, their true forms, without makeups, which people will see and get afraid. And that is the reason why all his attempts to contact them or reach them all these years have failed, and even he didn't know much about the reason for failures until few years back. Because in the starting state, as Nara, as Rama, without knowledge of who and what he is, he should grow up. So there are many precautions to be taken during the growth phase, which we will discuss later.